for watching. I hope you liked that video. So if you did like the Phantom 3, then please do give this a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. Got some really cool videos coming up. I'm going to buy some more DJI products, which I think you'll like. So if you have any comments, drop them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Check out my Instagram at Trending Reviews. I'm going to put some video footage and some other pictures from the drone, and you can check them out there and ask me any questions you want. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time. Take care.